Hey, what's up here? Hedera Hashgraph holder. What's going on this time? In last 7 days, condition is very badly, my friend. You can see, my friend, the Hedera Hashgraph minus 2.05% price will decrease now, and definitely, as you can see, the highest price $0.39 USD dollar, but the current price is $0.35 USD dollar. So I think it is not a big difference, my friend, in both prices. But definitely, my friend, with the holder are starting selling, so of course, my brother, the price will very badly fell down, and this time absolutely they will do something like that. In last 7 days, my friends, they will take also very huge jump, my friend. As you can see, first of all, after a fail, they will take a jump, and after this fails, I am 100% sure, my friends, so they will also take a very huge jump, and they will completely, my friends, go to the moon, and they will recover all the loss, and they will give you a double profit. So therefore, I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the Hedera Hashgraph price will pumps up and they will give you a very good profit. But there is a 80% chances, my friends, to short-term investor are starting selling. Because Hedera Hashgraph is very good coin, my friend, for short-term investor, because they will give you sometimes very huge profit in very short time. So therefore, people are starting investing for a short time in Hedera Hashgraph. So therefore, if you are active holders, my friend, you will need to invest now in Hedera Hashgraph. But if you are long-time investor, my friend, so just and only, my friends, I think you will need, my friends, to wait for a very long time, for 1 year, for 2 years, for 5 years. So I hope, my friends, you will get a profit. Otherwise, and my friend, and monthly, I think you will never get a profit. So therefore, my personal advice, my friend, expectation is very good from all of you. So my advice for all of you, please hold down and don't start selling. I hope at the end of month they will give you a profit, because in last 10 days, absolutely every coin will completely get a profit. So see you next time. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.